Hello, this is Rena with LYLO Crafts coming on today as part of hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesday, which is an open collaboration, meaning we would love everyone to join in. And it is hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner. I'll put a link to her channel in the description below, and me, Rena, with LYLO Crafts. And all you have to do is use the hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays so we can find your video. Okay, so what I made today are these sweet little Halloween picks, and I'm going to get a little closer for you. Okay, so what I did was I took the DollarTree picks that they've got out. They have a pumpkin, they have a skeleton, which I added eyelashes to, and they have a bat. And I added eyes and eyelashes to the bat, and all I did was embellish them up, and all of them I used acetate to kind of float something. So on this one, you can see it's the bat, I've got the boo on acetate, I've got a little banner here, a little pumpkin, and I've got some ribbons and one of these tiny little organza double bows that I showed how to make on a fork. So I'll put that video at the end of the, I'll put a link to that video at the end if you want to see how to do that. So I think that turned out so sweet. And then I did a pastel-Halloween one. And so this one is a skeleton. And look at that iridescent or holographic, excuse me, that holographic lightning bolt is striking down from the sky. She has a holographic little spider as her bow on her head. She has a light pink ribbon. She's got dark eyelashes on. She has a spider web. This is from the bow dies that I've been showing, and it's the top of a butterfly. And I thought that would make such a great banner, like curly banner from that. So I've got that one, and then this one, I've got the pumpkin. I've got an iridescent acetate spider web as its backdrop. I've got the jack-o'-lantern. I've got a black paper bow layered up with candy corn and flowers and fall leaves, as well as an organza orange ribbon hanging from the bottom. So those are my 3 sweet little Halloween embellishments that I made for this week. I so appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.